Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can have vertical text in Thrive Architect, similar to this one or like this. So vertical text is not an inbuilt feature in Thrive Architect, but we can have vertical text using a simple one-line CSS code. But if you have no idea about CSS and you don't know how it works, then don't worry, just follow along with me. So in this video, what I want to do is put a vertical text just beside this image, uh, which says like 50% off. For example, this is a t-shirt and I want to sell this t-shirt and I am giving out discount, and so I can just add a vertical text over in the left side which says 50% off. So to do that, let me firstly add a simple text right over here. Let me change the font to Montserrat. Let me make it 50 pixels and all uppercase. Let me just make it blue and let me make it bold. And now let me just say over here 50% off. So this is the text. So I'm going to make it now vertical. So to do that you only need to copy paste these codes over here. So just follow along, do not worry. So this is the text over here. What you need to do is firstly let's copy this CSS code. I'm providing both these codes down in the description below, so just copy and paste from over there. So firstly let me just copy this code, copy, and then over here click on this gear settings, then go to over here, click over here advanced settings, then click over here custom CSS. Then you have to just paste this CSS and then click on this check mark over here. Now just save the changes. Okay, so now what you need to do is copy this class called vertical, copy this one, select this text which you want to make it vertical, and then scroll down, and over here HTML attributes, paste this in the class field. Done, and then click on save changes. So see, now the text is vertical, but it's kind of in the weird position. The text is vertical but it's just gone in a very weird position. But I'll need to move this text and beside this image. To do that, make sure that you have this text selected and then click over here layout and position, and then under advanced make this choose this option absolute. Okay, so now this one is over here. So now what I can do, I can just click over here and then use this option stop and left to move this text around in the position I want to. Okay, so now it's over here. Let me just move this down a little bit below. Okay, so now it's done. So let me just move it a little bit. Absolute. Okay, let me just try it again. Top, then left. Okay, it's done. See, it's vertical right now, 50% off. Let me just save it. Okay, let me just, the main benefit of this, instead of using an image, if you use like this vertical text, the main advantage is that you can easily edit the text. So let me just write red t-shirt 50% off. Okay, make sure not to use too much text, so let me just keep it the way it is. Just remember, you can always move around the text using the absolute positioning. Okay, so now let me show you another thing. So suppose you want to text to read from bottom to top. Now you are reading the text from top to bottom. If you want to read the text from bottom to top, all you have to do is select the text, then just go in the, if you want this to read from bottom to top, just go over here and click on the select icon, and then just custom CSS, and over here it is 90 degree, 90 deg, just make it negative, -90, and then click on the check icon. See, it will just rotate it to, now it reads 50% off. It reads from bottom to top. So just whichever you prefer, it depends on you. So let me just go ahead and then edit it again. Let me remove the minus from over here, then it turns back to the way it was. So it depends on whatever you prefer. So this is how you make a text vertical in Thrive Architect. So another thing, suppose you want to make this text vertical over here, or so over here vertical. So what you need to do is simply copy this class, and then under HTML attributes paste in this class and click save. So it just turns vertical. If you just want to turn it the way it was, then just remove this class over here, then save changes, and it will just turn back to the way it was. So if you found this video useful, then please like this video and please subscribe to my channel so you get more updates to new videos regarding Thrive Architect, Elementor or Slider Evolution. And you can also share this video with your friends who use Thrive Architect, and they might find this video useful. And you can also visit my website 𝙀𝙀𝙚𝙀𝙀 So in this website you will get lots of useful blogs regarding Thrive Architect and Elementor Pro, lots of tips and techniques which you can use. So thank you, have a great day.